And then there's a phone that belonged to Miss Kelly Kumalo that recorded the Moleleki Tower, or reflecting the Moleleki Tower. That's where we're at when we adjourned.
Yes, that activity is the last activity of page 667.
What I was trying to get at then was the phone belonging to, the other phone belonging to Miss Kelly Kumalo, the one belonging to Mr. Longotwala, and the one belonging to the late Senzo. Around that time of after 2200, on the 26th of October, did it ever record the Moleleki Tower?
As it is the court, my lord, it should be noted that the state is alleging that Kelly Kumalo apparently had 5 numbers.
6.
Yes, had 6 numbers that were identified to be allegedly belonging to her. Now, when the state says the phone, I think it needs to be very specific what the number that the state is actually referring to, not a phone. We don't know whether the state is talking of a gadget, whether it was a Samsung, a Nokia, an iPhone.
Mr. Mnisi is correct. You've got to specify, because there's evidence that Ms. Kumalo had 6 numbers, if I recall the evidence.
As the company will do that.
Who is this man, and what have they done with Judge Ratha? Where is the original Judge Ratha? Because Judge Ratha 2.0, what did he really just say? Mnisi is right? Where is Baloyi? Where is Baloyi to object to the objection? So Mnisi got up and said, which number, which gadget? Mnisi always comes through with the objections and the theatrics. Like, he combines it and he makes it thoroughly entertaining. We all know Kelly Kumalo has 6 phone numbers. Which one is it? And you can't keep saying the phone. Is it the gadget? Is it an iPhone? Is it a Samsung? Is it a Nokia? Come on now, Mnisi. Come on now. I can tell during the recess you said we're going back, and I'm still going to be Mnisi. No changes from Mnisi. We do see no new hairstyle, no new glasses. Mnisi is still the original make and model that we have become accustomed to. We do see some change of hairstyles. We do see some change of hairstyles. You know, Mshololo changed her hair. Ngomezulu's PA also changed her hair. And I'm sorry if they're not PAs. Let me know in the comment section what they are. Their assistants. Ramasipili's assistant had a hairstyle that had the attention of the people in the comments, and I'm gonna leave it right there. But you know what I want to talk about? I'm just shocked at Judge Ratha, but this is great. This is progress. This is manageable. We can continue listening on, and he explains why Mnisi is right. And what does Sibanda say? He rolls his eyes. I mean, at the bravery, okay? Baloyi is not there, and he is feeling a top dog, okay? But let's continue on. Let us continue on.
Just go back to Exhibit G1.
Yes.
And then the phone number that recorded the Moleleki Tower. Which number is that?
The number reflecting the Moleleki Tower is 072 938 2498.
Kelly's number, according to the
That's
state.
correct, my lord. And then let's go back to your addendum, and let's just identify the other number belonging to Miss Kelly Kumalo, so that we move together.
The other number belonging to Miss Kumalo is 082 704 4358. We find that on Exhibit J1 under the addendum.
So the number belonging to Miss Kelly Kumalo, the one ending with 4358, at the time when the number ending with 2498 recorded the Moleleki Tower. Where was the number ending with 4358?
We on page 1650 of 4649, you would then find the data of 4358. Round about 2154, the number ending 4358 is on voicemail, and we have an undefined tower.
Then around 2200, the number belonging to the deceased ending with 551. Can you locate it?
We are on page 362, round about 2201. The number ending 9551 reflects the Tower Clinic's phosphorus.
This lastly, the number belonging to Longwetala ending with 0436 around 2200 on the 26th of October.
I am on page 4634. The number ending 0436, round about 2216, shows the Tower Opang Khotso.
And then, are you able to tell this court if the number of Miss Kilikomalo ending with 4358, the number of the deceased, Mr. Senzo Meiwa, the number belonging to Longwe Twala ever recorded the Moleleki Tower on the 26th of October 2014?
Not at all.
So, just also to remind us, for a phone to record a tower, what happens?
You have to be in the vicinity of that tower in order for the cell phone to be picked up.
Are you then able to conclude at this stage that the number ending 2498 was at the vicinity of the Moleleki Tower on the 26th of October, just after 2200?
Yes, I can confirm that it was at the Moleleki Tower, but the time indicates 2152 on the 26th of October.
So we're on page 14. Can you explain what is depicted on page 14? Exhibit J7, capital A.
On page 14, I have a sight distance between Besonia and Lefta and Frieda.
Can you place the information on page 15 on record?
Page 15, the distance between Lefta and Frieda and Besonia is 4.3 kilometers.
What is depicted on page 16?
On page 16, it is the distance from or to the Moleleki Tower and the crime scene.
Let's proceed to page 17. Can you place the information on page 17 on record?
Page 17 is the distances from the Moleleki Tower to and from other sites. Actually, Valeria is in between Queenswood and Palmer Flats, and that distance is 2.6 kilometers.
Ending with 16890. In this set of data that was admitted by the defense already, that there were activities.
Yes, that is correct.
And there were outgoing calls and incoming calls.
Yes.
You know what baffles me? maybe we need an engineer. Before I forget this thought, you correctly say that a certain number impinges or triggers a particular tower, right?
Yes.
When it is in the vicinity
Yes.
of that tower.
Correct.
Vicinity is not defined. You can't say vicinity minimum. It means a minimum distance, assuming this is the tower. Meaning a minimum distance in the vicinity could be, let's say, 2 meters. Let's make it ridiculous. It will impinge on the tower. You are not able to say the distance. All you can say, it's in the vicinity.
So what I can then say is that it's in the radius of the tower.
That's it, yeah.
But initially I did say, in terms of distances, in a built-up area, it can be from anything from 500
Yeah, I heard you.
to, let's say, 5 kilometers
In
in
a
a
built-up
built-up area. But opposed to a rural area where the towers are further apart, you can go from anything up to 15 to 20 kilometers apart.
Okay.
I can assure you, I still don't know who this is, but Judge Ratha 2.0 he's impressing me. He's impressing me. So he finally realizes that we might need an engineer. Actually, his words were, what baffles me is we might need an engineer, aka Pinky, your days are numbers. This is the end. Thank you so much. Goodbye. And you know what? Watching this a second time, I'm like, the whole time. Because if you've watched till the end of the full live yesterday, the whole time, Mngomezulu was like, why are they wasting time? What are they talking about? Let me catch 1 or 12 naps. And he goes ahead and catches the naps, and Mngomezulu stands up and has nothing to do with this. Absolutely nothing to do with this. I'm just going to use this Vodacom expert to confirm that all the 205s of the house exist. But the defense chose not to use them. If you remember at the beginning of this video, we hear Spanda himself. See, after recess, Spanda walked straight into Ngomezulu's trap. He gave the 205s, or he confirmed numbers for Kelly Kumalo. That's Kelly Kumalo's 2 cell phones, Longwe Twala's. Why did he pick names? You know what? Now I'm curious. How did the state decide these are the ones we want to nail? And you know what, Zandi Umapopola gets off the hook. Oh, who really cares about Dumelo? Who really wants to know about Dumelo's 201, 205s? And Umtoro, yeah, no one is going to push for it. Enter Ngomezulu. This is amazing. Absolutely impressive. Let me know your thoughts below. Make sure you subscribe, comment down below, do the things. I see your comments in all the other videos. I got a comment request, an unusual comment request, and it talks about that they want me to do a review of Ulinda Mnisi, okay, who was in the courthouse sitting behind Sibanda there. And that comment built a lot of comments, got a lot of likes. Is that something you guys want? If it is something you want for me to do a full video review, let me know in the comment section down below. Type a 1 in the comment section if that is something you are interested in. But guess what? I'll do the video, but you'll have to subscribe to my new channel to watch it, because that's where I'll put it. And the new channel is GNU.Unfiltered. Okay. We are on our road to monetization there. That is amazing. That is impressive, but absolutely only possible with you. So please make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll do that video for you. Do some research first. So give me a few days, do some research, and I can do it there. Yeah, I can do it there. Because, it is state reporting. So that's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll absolutely catch you on my next upload. If you've made it this far in the video, you already know you have my heart, okay? Thanks for watching all the ads. Thanks for making it this far in the video. But one more thing I ask you to do, make sure you comment down below, because if you don't, I don't know that you watched this video. Make sure you drop me a soccer ball, because we're on the road to justice for Senzo. Okay? Thanks for watching.